Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can message you in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our feed, but from here we have to go into the saved menu. And in the saved menu, in the top right corner, we find the little cog. If we tap on this, then we can go into settings. Now here in the settings menu, we find social permissions. We tap on that, and then at the top of the screen, we find message settings. If we tap on this, then we can set what kind of messages get into what kind of boxes. So for example, if we get a message from a follower, we can set the box that this message is put into. We can either set it requests, so when someone messages us we get a request notification, or the inbox. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.